Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to remove Mini Cooper wing mirror covers. First, gather your essential tools: a plastic trim removal tool, a small flathead screwdriver, and a soft microfiber cloth. Working in a well-lit area is crucial for visibility and safety. Always prioritize gentle handling to prevent any damage to your vehicle's components during the process. Next, you'll need to adjust the mirror glass itself. Gently tilt the mirror glass fully inward, pushing it towards the car's body. This action creates a necessary gap, allowing you access to the clips holding the mirror cover in place. Be very careful and avoid excessive force to prevent cracking the glass or damaging the adjustment mechanism. Now, with the mirror glass adjusted, carefully begin to pry the mirror glass out. Use your plastic trim tool to gently release the clips that secure the mirror cover. Work your way around the perimeter of the cover, releasing each clip one by one. Pay attention to their locations, as this will be helpful for reinstallation later. Once all the clips are released, you can gently pull the mirror cover straight off the housing. Before installing a new cover, inspect the clips on both the housing and the new cover for any damage. To reinstall, align the new cover and press it firmly into place until you hear the clips engage. Finally, test the mirror's movement to ensure everything is secure.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.